Hey guys, today I'm fixing this Sears Craftsman Hedge Trimmer Bushwhacker. This is an old one. I think this is the 18 or 22 inches, the blade. And with this one, what happened was the recoil, when I pull on it, it doesn't retract back. And then I thought something broke in it. Most of the time something breaks in it, or it's rusted, or the cord breaks off. This one was like this, and it doesn't retracts back. So I open it. There's some screws holding it. This is the motor. It's on here. It covers a couple of screws. Make sure you take pictures, videos when you're doing this. You have to take off the air filter, the carburetor, all of that to get to this the recoil. And on the top of this flywheel, there's a like this type of screw. You got to screw it out. I took a screwdriver and just wedge it in here, the fins, and just took a pliers and just turn it to take it out. You got to take all the spark plugs, all of that. So what happened to this one, it was rusted. This happens when you leave your outdoor power equipments outside or in a garage that doesn't have room temperature. So once you take off everything, this big washer retainer gonna be here. Just take this off, 2 screws. Make sure you take pictures like I said. And what I did, I took off the recoil. There's like a big washer in here that holds it in place, and I took like a wire brush and scraped it, or you can take sandpaper, or if you have the grinder with a brush on it and it was all rusted, I used some carb cleaner and sprayed it. You can put some grease on it also, not too much, so it won't get rusted. And it's kind of tricky. There's two, a short spring and a big one. I just use my hands and just recoil it like that. There's many ways to do it. Hold with a pliers and just put it back in. Same way, you can spray some WD-40 on it to get the rust off. This one was rusted and it wasn't retracting. And this is a good time also to change this cord, since you're in here. So what you want to do is wind this up, like put it back together like this, and then this piece here that's open, this notch here fits onto this end of the recoil spring. It fits here. So the recoil works like this. When you pull it, it retracts, it tightens up, it gets small, and when you let go of the cord, it open up back like this to pull the cord back, retract back the cord. If you want, you can buy a new unit. You don't have to mess with this, like take this out and clean it. But I wanted to clean it and see if it works before buying the whole unit. Like, it comes with this plastic, the reel, and the spring, the recoil mechanism here with that it sits in, the retainer, all of that. And make sure you take pictures like I said in video, because I had a hard time to figure this out back. So I'm just gonna wind this up back and just make sure I set it properly in here, and then put everything back together and see if it works.